Hey guys, so a while ago this light sucks. One second. So a while ago I made a Lego set, and quite a few people really liked it. So today I'm going to be building. I mean, this isn't an official Lego set, but it looks really cool. I got it for €3 of steel, and yeah, hope you enjoy it. So here are the instructions. To begin, I think I start off with this one. Yeah, I start off with this one, and yeah, boom, boom. I think I messed it up. That's weird. No, I didn't. I didn't. Oh wait. Oh, need to add this, so that it's like, yeah, this. Okay, never mind. This is too difficult. I'll just show you guys the end result because it's going to take way too long. I ended up finishing it. This is the end result. It's pretty cool. Like I can spin this around. One thing that I have a problem with though is this is how it's supposed to be, but I did it like this because this piece wouldn't connect. So this is much better because that way I can, yeah, it won't break. And yeah, overall really cool set. It took me quite a bit to make, probably like 30 minutes at least. But it's really cool. Really like it. Would recommend. I got it for €3, like I said. So, yeah, if you ever see this set, I'd recommend buying it. For the €5 price, yeah, it's still really cool, even for the €5 price.